But I do want to go through some of these earnings real quick. If you're looking for earnings plays, I would advise you, unless you really know what you're doing, to just avoid and wait until the next day. Something could be up and absolutely crater tomorrow, and something could be down and get absolutely hammered. What I always recommend to people in the trading room is just use the first 15 minutes as a guide. Okay, just let that guide go. Now, if you want to be super aggressive, you can use the first minute, but I wouldn't use anything in between there. There's too many algorithms that know how to play with you. So that first minute shows the initial buy of all the algorithms stepping up. And then after that, you start seeing retail kind of catch up to the volume spike. And that's usually where you can get in and then kind of use that as your low to get out. But net crushed, absolutely crushed, and raised revenue. I mean, I don't know many companies that are in software right now that are raising their revenue projections. So it's going to be interesting tomorrow. But on pullbacks, I'm very interested in this. Where that level is, I'm just not really sure yet. A lot of these names are coming back to old key levels. And I'm going to show you one that's going to probably do it tomorrow that you could look at. But if you take a look at net would be on my list. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one. Or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.